There are 8 goals of universal design. The first is body fit. That's about incorporating and encompassing the wide range of body sizes and shapes and abilities. The second is about comfort. That's about things being easy to reach, easy to move, and being able to get through and around spaces. Awareness, ensuring safety and other critical information is easy to perceive. Understanding is about making things intuitive, unambiguous, and clear and easy to use. Wellness, this is about health promotion, but also about avoiding injury. Social integration, this is about treating all groups with dignity and respect. Personalization, this is about incorporating opportunities for individual expressions of choice. And finally, cultural appropriateness. This is about respecting and reinforcing cultural values as well as the social and environmental context of any design project.